صحیح شروع کنین. ما حقوق خدا میخواهیم. ما حقوق بشری خدا میخواهیم. ما سرپناه میخواهیم. تا چی وقت در بدری زندگی کنیم؟ برای ما حقوق بشر بیاید جوابگوی باشه. Where is human right? We need place to live. Please help us. We need place for our life.
Hello everybody, we are the refugees that we are in Hungary, and now we are together to show our feeling, our problem to the TV. Really, in Hungary we have got many problems. Since we entered in Hungary, we got many problems. For example, yes, we are refugees. We escaped from our country because of those political problems and other problems. For example, family conflict, political problems, and many hard problems. And now we are here, and we ask asylum. And okay, now we are Altamazon refugee in Hungary, but they don't want to support us, and they put us a small place in a camp. And after 6 months or maximum 1 year, they want to put us in the road. So what will happen for us? What will happen for the children or for my children? We don't know what to do. The Hungarian government doesn't want to support the people, the refugees. We don't know what to do. Now we are here, and this meeting is, we want to resolve the problem. What to do? Finally, what will happen? Hungary should change the law. Because in other Schengen country, really they support the people as long they independent their life. But here, no. We don't know what to do.
Okay, you? Okay. Would you like? Who would like next? Good. Okay.
مطمئن نیست دیگه که هنگری به ما کمک نکرد. زمان که آمدیم چند وقت ما رو در کم سربسته زندان کرد، باز زود بیرون شدیم.
The problems here, the Hungary doesn't want to help us, and they put us in the closed camp for a couple of months.
بچه از راه گم شد کردیم، زمانی که پیدا شد به ما کمک نکرد.
And we lost my son in this way, and they didn't help me.
بچه خزیست دادیم.
And at the moment I have lost my son.
دیگه کم است به ما رسیدگی نمیکنه، خانه نمیده ما، چی نمیده، پولیس درست نمیده که ما مصرف کنیم. دمو فکر هستیم که فردا ما از اینجا بریم چی کنیم؟ نه.
They don't see my problems, the family problems in this camp. They don't give us money, they don't give us place to live.
دیگر ما از این که وقت ما پرش هست هم ما بیرون بریم جای نداریم، نه پول داریم، نه جای داریم، نه کارگر داریم.
After 6 months or 1 hour, what should we do in the route? Because they want to put us in the street after 1 year, finishing our period in the camp. So we don't have money, what should we do?
شوهرم 3 سال 4 سال میشه، خودم هم که من قند دارم، فشار دارم.
My husband is old as well, and he is ill, and I am ill as well. I have a blood pressure problem and diabetes problem.
تابلت میتم، قلبم چیک نمیشه، فشارم چیک نمیشه.
They don't see my problem about my illness. They don't give me the medicine. Just they reject me.
یک سال شد این پسر من این عکس است. یک سال پسرم دینان پیدا شد. پسرم یک سال شد پیدا شد.
This is photo of my son. I found him in Greece, but I understood now he's died. Unfortunately.
اول گفتی تو 5 ساله داری بچه خواسته نمیتونی. از اینان کارای خلاص شد.
Because Hungary didn't help me, because I asked them to bring my son here, but they didn't help me, and in Greece my son has died. Because he went to demonstration.
تصادف کرد رفتم سری جنازه شی بگی اینو به مایت کمک مایت از هنگری راضی نیستم.
Hungary doesn't help us.
از هنگری راضی نیست من هنگری به مایت کمک نکنم.
No help, nothing.
این جوان
A
خم
refugee
عزیز
without
دادم.
help.
جوان خم عزیز دادم.
I lost my young son.
Where is she from?
از اهل کجایی؟
اهل افغانستان.
She's from Afghanistan.
ما با این پیرمرد چی با یک دختر 14 ساله چی کار کنم؟
What should I do with a girl under the age of 14 in Hungary? What will happen for the future of my daughter?
Good to know. Thank you.
تشکر.
بشر دوست این اگر بشر دوست است این اروپایی که میگه بشر دوست است چی کمک میکنین بر ما؟ کمک کنین ما رازی هنگری درست حسابی ما کمک کنن. اگر کمک نمیکنن بیر اسناد خرد ما بریم جای دیگه.
If the EU is the humanity, so please help us or and get back the passport or everything and send us to other countries. I have lost my son. What should I do now?
هر وقت یادم نمیذارم هر وقت آتیش میزنده دیگر من چی کنم من
whenever I remember my son.
کشور دیگه میبود با ما کمک میکرد.
If I am in other country they would help me but here no. تشکر. شما مشکلات دارید؟
مشکلات ما دارنگره هیچ کمک به ما نمیکنه. این بچه مجار هسته نه پمپرس بهش میده نه شیر خوش بهش میده نه دکتری روان میکنه.
She's from Afghanistan as well. They say Hungary don't help us. This baby has born in the Hungary but they don't help even this baby. What should we do? We have the same problem with everybody. They don't give medicine, they don't give any support for the baby, nothing.
خودم رفتم دکتر امروز رفتم دکتر چیز شده لیست میگه برو مرا دکتر بیرو که اینا همه تمام دکتر بودن.
Today I went to the doctor in a camp but they put me outside of the room and they say it's okay, you don't have any problem.
کارت ما را قطع کرده هیچ ازان رسیدگی هیچ نداره امکانات نداره.
They don't see the problem, nothing. Just.
موقعی که قبول شدیم 5 ماه کمپ بسته بودیم این کاسه پخشا اینه که روز قبولی برای ما میده پلاستیکیه.
After 5 months in the closed camp, when we got the positive decided from the immigration office, they gave us just these dishes. What should we do with this? Plastic plate. What should we do with this?
به کوچیک بزرگ از این دارو میده که بچه مریض بشه.
When our baby is sick, they give just this type of medicine. We don't know what to do with this medicine.
دماغش گرفته باشه میگه داخل آب جوش ترک بره دماغش خوب میکنه.
When the baby is sick, just they give this. We don't know what to do. What will happen for this baby?
5 ماه کمپ بسته بودیم هیچ امکاناتی نداشتیم اینجا که آمدیم همین رو به ما داده خلاص.
We have been living in the closed camp for 5 months.
با این پاسپورت 5 سالی از هیچ کارم نمیشه کشورهای بالا میشه کار کنی نه کسی میخواد هیچ کار نمیشه.
With this 5 years passport we cannot do anything. We cannot go to other country for working or we cannot accept anybody from our family.
یکی بگن فیلم برداری میکنه به کل تلویزیونای مجار و اروپا پخش میکنه یک در سال یک خانم هم از طرف شهرداری که بهشان قبول میده میره امکانات خانه رو بهش میده یعنی من مجار اینجور امکانات بهشان میده.
Please put this film on all the TV in Europe. They should see. But in 1 year just they support one family, not more.
Do they have enough Pampers, diapers? Is there a change in the number of diapers they got?
We don't know.
Okay. Do you like?
تشکر.
خواهشی که از کشورهای اروپایی از ایتالیا به ما رسیدگی کنه، به داد ما برسه. اگر به داد ما نمیرسه لااقل به ما که به یه انگری راضی نیستیم، هیچ خوش نیستیم. کل مردم قبر بکنه، تمام ما رو زنده به گور کنه.
We are asking from the Schengen country, please help us. We don't like this country, the Hungary, because they don't help us. If the Hungary doesn't help us, so it's better they put us under the earth and we die. دیگه باز ادامه میدیم بس.
منم مشکلات زیادی دارم.
میگه که نگاه کنید، دوربین نگاه کنید.
تازه که وارد خاک شدیم بچهای مریض هم اصلا به اینا توجهی ندارن. او کمپ بستم که بریم چی دبرستان هم بودیم، بچهای مریض میشد اصلا دکترها این خیالشون نمیاد.
خب من ترجمه کنم. I have been in close camp as well. Now my children are sick and they don't see the problem of my children. خب ادامه بده.
سینه و بغل میشد، مشکل تنفسی داره. اصلا دکترها این خیالشون نیست.
My children has got the problem with bursting, but the doctor doesn't help in the camp.
بعدش یک داروی بدون علاج میتونم برش همون برش میتونم مثلا خودم تداوی میشم دفعه چهارش میگم دارو خودم برش
they give us a simple medicine and when we use this medicine it is not useful and we ourselves do something, we put some cream and we do something to improve the baby and doctor doesn't
الانم اینجا اومدیم بردمش به خاطر چشمش دکتر گفته که ما اینجا کارمون
we took our children to the doctor because of the eyes problem but they thought we cannot do anything for you, we cannot support you.
گفته باید ببریش دکتر بوداپست. حالا هر روز میرم سرش میگم کی میخوای اینو بفرستی انگار میگه امروز یا فردا.
They thought go to Budapest but they don't see the problem, they left us. تشکر. خانم کربلایی. No. Excuse me.
No. Okay.
تمام.
Go first. Okay. Please speak closer to this microphone. Thank you.
بیرون از کمپ میبره که خانمانه نیست.
در 2009 وارد خاک‌انگری شدیم.
In 2009 we entered in Hungary.
از وقتی که داخل خاک‌انگری شدیم من یک خورده مشکل پای داشتم. پای چپ.
I had a problem with my feet.
رفتم برای تمام مسئولین گفتم، مسئولین فقط گوش کردن گفت ما نمیتونیم کار براتون بکنیم.
I went to the social worker but they did nothing for me. Even I went to the doctor but they didn't help me and they left me.
بعد چند مدت هر دو پایم دارد از کار افتاده.
Now my problem is going to be bigger and bigger with my feet.
بعدش هم که اینا وقت میگیرن برای دکتر 8 ماه 7 ماه 8 ماه طول میکشه. بعد 8 ماه مثلا مندازه بیرون از کم.
And even if they want to help me for my problem with my feet, it takes a long time, for example 8 months, but after 8 months I am not in a camp, so just they rejected me.
در حال حاضر تاریخ 26 وقت ما تموم شده، برای سال آینده مثلا برای ما وقت داده، وقت دکتر.
Now my periodism camp is finished, but they gave me a time for a doctor, a visit time for a doctor for next year. So what should I do?
راجع به مکتب از اینا.
And about the school?
مکتب وقتی که مثلا تعیین کرده خیلی کمه.
They don't teach us through. The education is not okay.
4 دانه معلم داره.
We have just 4 teachers for all.
250 دانه شاگرد.
200 students.
قلم اصلا کمک نمیکنه. کتابچه اصلا کمک نمیکنه.
They don't give us the workbook for learning the Hungarian language.
بعدشون بعض وقتا معلمین مثلا از جیب خود میخرن قلم خب یگان کتابچه اگه بتن.
Just sometimes maybe they give us one notebook, but what can we do with a notebook? They don't give us a book and they say okay, go and buy yourself.
راجع به 5 ساله قبول شدن از این.
And about this 5 years passport.
چون من 3 سال است که اینجا زندگی میکنم، 3 سال مثلا 5 ساله مثلا 5 سالی از این نمیتونی خانواده تو بخوای، نمیتونی هیچ کار باید 5 سالی ازی بکنی.
And since 2009 I'm here and I have got this 5 years passport and I cannot invite my family with this passport, so what can I do?
قانونی که اینا درست کردن هر آدمی که مثلا 5 ساله داره باید بالای 300,000 کار بکنه. 300,000 کار بکنه، خانم از خودش باشه، خانم داشته باشه که بتونه خانواده خود ببینه یا بخواد.
They have a hard law about this invitation for family. It should be we should have too much money and we should have a good job to invite our family, but in Hungary when they don't support us and they don't give the job, they don't teach us language, so how can we invite our family?
خب در نظر شما مثلا مجاری دارین شما 300,000 کار بکنه یا 350,000 کار بکنه؟ مثلا یه حرفی که به ما میزنید.
Even in Hungary, a Hungarian citizen cannot find 300,000 forint in a month. So how can we find it without the knowledge about the Hungary, without the knowledge about the language? So what should we do?
خب وقتی که خود از اینا نمیتونه 300,000 کار بکنه، چند سال طول میکشه که ما بتونیم خانواده‌های خود بخوایم؟
After how many years can we visit our family? So when?
وقتی که وقت ما تمام میشه، مشکل پایدارم، مشکل مثلا دکتری و طبابت داریم ما. خب در روی سرک نه کار نه خانه، ما چه قسم میتونم خرج دوا درمان بکنیم؟
Now my time is finished in the camp and now I'm sick. I cannot have a job, I cannot work, and they want to put me on the street, so I don't have a job, I don't have place to stay. So what should I do really?
راجع به دکتر داخل کمپ.
About the doctor in camp?
در طول هفته فقط نیم ساعت بیشتر نیست داخل کمپ.
In 1 week just we have a doctor for half hour.
وقتی که آدم مریض عاجل بشه کدام سو بده؟ دنبال کی بده؟
When we have a heart problem, so who can help us in the camp when there is no doctor in the camp?
بعض وقتا هم که نرس است، فقط تنها چیزی که میته یک دانه تابلت یا 2 تا تابلت میته، تمام. و مستقیم.
And just there is a nurse in the camp and they give me a small medicine and that's it. Nothing more.
3 سال است که به من مثلا فقط اینم 2 تا تابلت مستقل میته، تمام.
In these 3 years just they give me a little medicine and that's it. Nothing else.
مشکلات بگو یکی دو تا هم نیست.
The problem is not 1 or 2. We have many problems.
وزارت کار که مثلا ما کلا رفتیم نام‌نویسی کردیم. وقتی که مثلا خودشان کمک نکنن برای ما کار پیدا نکنن.
And about the job we went to the office and we signed up for a job, but they don't help. When they don't help, so how can we have a job?
خب ما کجا بریم دنبال کار؟
So where can we find a job? When we cannot go to other country with this 5-year passport.
پاسپورت 5 ساله خیلی دست پای ما رو بسته، واقعا خیلی خسته ما کرده.
We are tired because of this 5-year passport because we cannot do anything with this passport. We are closed inside.
Can I see? Just want to see.
Okay. He has written his problem on the paper because he is old and maybe he forgets everything.
ما مدت تقریبا مدت 1 سال و 5 ماه میشه در این کمپ بدون سرنوشت زندگی میکنیم.
We are since 1 year and a half in this camp without any good future.
و خانه حقی که مسلم است برای ما خانه نمیده.
Even they don't give us a home, the place.
در بوداپست و تا چه وقت تا وقتی به مثل یک بندی در زندان در این کمپ بدون سرنوشت زندگی کنیم.
Till when can we live in this way, in this bad way?
و از کمپ که ما بیرون کنن و در گوشه و کنار سرک ما زندگی کنیم چطور بود؟
After the camp, after this time, on the street. What can we do?
و همچنان دیگه سن و سالم بالا رفته و بازنشست شدم و نسبت چه قسم کار خود پیش برم و نسبت معیوبیت پای معیوب است پای
Now at the moment I'm old and I cannot do anything. I'm sick. I have a problem with my knee.
کار برای معیان نیست.
And there is no job for me.
و خانمم نیز به مریضی قند و فشار خون مبتلا می باشد.
And my wife is sick as well. She has got a problem with the diabetes and blood pressure.
و موظفین کلینیک کم از مریضی قند و فشار خون به صورت چک و تداوی درست نمی کنند.
And in the camp, the doctor doesn't help really. They don't give any medicine.
و تابلت قرص برایش میدن و نمیدانیم که در این مدت 1 سال 5 ماه چرا از مریضیش به صورت درست چک و تداوی نمیشه.
They don't check the problem with the health.
و دیگر امکانات برای ما هم میسر نیست.
And they don't see the other problem, the other things.
و از ما به صورت یک انسان مهاجر وارسی و رفتار نمی شود.
They don't behave well with us. They don't behave the humanity with us.
یک دختر 14 ساله مدرسه‌ای داره.
I have a daughter. She is 14 years old and she is under the age.
و در این اواخر به یکی از مدرسه‌های بوداپست تبدیل نمودند.
And now she's going to a school in Budapest and Budapest is far from the Bicske.
و رفت و آمد آن از کمپ الی بوداپست 3 یا 4 ساعت را طول می‌کشد.
And it takes a long time that she's going and come back.
که این مدت وقتش رفت و آمدش بی‌فایده ضایع شده.
And it is not useful and it is even dangerous for my daughter because she's under the age.
که از یک طرف زمستان است، در سرمای زمستان.
And at the moment it's winter and it's cold.
سوم، قبلا در زمان حیات مرحوم پسرم محمد حسن علیزاده که به مریضی اعصاب روانی مبتلا بود.
And my son before he died he has got a nervous problem.
که در یونان در نزد یکی از افغانی‌های شناخته شده خود ما زندگی میکرد.
He had been in Greece.
و کار آمدنش را از طریق اداره جسیار صلیب سرخ یونان و بالاخره درخواست پناهندگیش را از کشور مجارستان تقاضای کمک مطالبه نمودیم.
We asked the Hungarian government to invite my son from the Greece into this country, but they did nothing.
و در مدت 1 سال کار آمدنش را از کشور مجارستان طول کشیده و هم پول بلیط آمدنش را از کشور یونان به کشور مجارستان از جیب شخصی خیش به کشور یونان پرداخت نمودیم.
And it took 1 year and it is a long time and we paid too much money to bring my son here but
تا به کشور مجارستان نزد ما بیاید.
But now he is not here.
و در خاتمه خبر فوت پسر مریضیم به ما رسیده که این داستان غم انگیز مشکلات خیش را برایتان اطلاع میرسانیم.
After 1 year and paying too much money, we were waiting for our son, but we didn't see my son, and just we heard that my son is died.
و از خدا میخواهیم به مثل ما هیچ از خانواده را بی سر و سامان و بی سرنوشت ابدی گرفتار نکنند.
Now and this is a very 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 painful story, and we are asking the God, so please help everybody.
با سلام به مجدد
خدمت شما
دستاندارکاران که در بخش مهاجرین کار میکنید زحمت میکشید. و این جانب سید احمد شاه حسینی از کشور افغانستان.
سید احمد شاه حسینی
ولایت غزنی
from
میباشم.
Afghanistan, city of Ghazni.
مدت 3 سال که من در کشور مجارستان پناهنده هستم.
Since 3 years ago I'm in Hungary as a refugee.
اولادم در افغانستان بدون سرپرست زندگی میکنند.
And now my children are in Afghanistan without a father in a dangerous country.
و من از بابت مشکلاتی که دارم از بابت اولادایم است که من چند دفعه پیش وکیلایی که اینجا مراجعه کردم وکیلای سنگی برای من گفتن که شما اسناد 5 ساله گرفته باید در ماه 300,000 یا 400,000 فورن کار کنید.
because of that, I went to Helsinki lawyers, and I asked them to help me, and they told me you have this 5 years passport, and you have to find 300,000 forint in a month to invite your family from Afghanistan.
خانه باید داشته باشین
And you have to have a home.
که ما بتانیم با اولادای تا 2 تا یا 3 تاش بخوایم که
Or
باید
maybe
درآمد
2 or 3 of your children you can invite.
و ما که به حساب یک شهروند به حساب افغان هستم زبان نمیفهمم مثلا
And
بلد نیستم
I'm Afghanistan citizen and I don't know the language.
چطور میتونم در ماه 300 ما درآمد کنم؟
How can I found 300,000 forint in a month? I don't have a job.
و مشکلاتی که فامیلم فعلا داره خب اینا درست جواب ندادن برای
And they don't see the problem exactly. They don't help me.
دخترک کلانم به سر به حساب شلیکای راکت اینا که ما در ولایت غربی هستیم به حساب مشکل روانی پیدا کرده.
And because of the war in Afghanistan at the moment my daughter is sick because of the war. Because of the bombs and every problem in Afghanistan.
پایام فلج شده فعلا.
And now she cannot walking because of the war, because of a bomb, and at the moment she cannot walk.
و اینا متاسفانه هیچ نوع کمکی نکردن.
And unfortunately they don't help me. Nothing.
خودم مشکلات دومم که از نوع گوش من فلج هستم گوشم تکلیف داره.
And I have a problem with my ear. I cannot with 2 of my ear I cannot hear exactly perfectly.
و مدت است که من رنج میبرم به اثر لط و کوب طالبایی که حساب مادم اونجا بودم حساب زدن گوشم فلج شده.
And I have a problem because when I was in Afghanistan the Taliban beat me very bad.
در 3 سال که من در مجار هستم به پاناینده هستم و هیچ نوع کمک نکردن برای من.
In these 3 years in Hungary the government and Hungary they didn't help me for my problem because of my problem.
عمل گوشم عفونت داره شبا صدا میکنم و خو ندارم.
And now I have an infection inside of my ear. I cannot even sleep at night.
و من امیدوار هستم دیگه زیاد وقت نمیگیرم به خاطر که اتحادیه اروپا و اینا که در بخش مهاجرین کار میکنید فقط من خواهشم است که تصمیم عادلانه گرفته شود که ما از این بدبختی و بیچارگی نجات پیدا کنیم. با تشکرش.
And I hope the European and other Schengen country and Hungary help us and they change some things and just we hope and we are waiting an answer.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. My name is Fazil. I'm from Afghanistan. I was deported from Austria. They deported me from Austria. I didn't have even the fingerprint of the Hungary. Before the deporting to the Hungary, they closed. The Austria government closed me for 40 days.
بعد از اون وارد کشور مجار کشیدم شهر گیور ما را 3 ماه و 20 روز اونجا بندی کردن.
And when we entered in Hungary and they deported us to Hungary, they closed us again.
با اینکه ما تقاضای پناهندگی دادم باز ما را بندی کردن.
With asylum request, they closed me. And they put me in prison.
بعد داخل زندان ما چون کمردر بودم از نوعی کمر مشکل داشتم 2 تا از نورهای کمرم چف شده بود.
And I have a problem with my back.
گفتن 2 تا از نورهای کمرم چف شده خیلی مشکل زیاد داشتم ما هر چی تقاضا کردم که به مشکل ما رسیدگی کنن هیچ کس به مشکل
I had a problem with my back and in prison I asked them to help me but they didn't help me and I was so sick.
حتی چند تا نامه به رئیس زندان نوشتم که
Even I wrote several letters to the boss of the prison.
بعد اونا گفتن که از زندان که بیرون آمدی ما مشکل تو را حل میکنیم.
They told me, they promised that after the prison they will help me, but they did nothing.
الان مدت 6 ماه ما زندان آمدیم بیرون داخل کمپ زندگی میکنیم.
And after the prison we are living at this camp since 6 months ago.
اما هیچ رسیدگی نشده.
But they don't see anything. They don't resolve the problem.
دکتر که مرا خیلی راحت ما را رد میکنه.
When I go to the doctor, basically very easy they reject me and they say you're okay, but really I have a problem.
هیچ رسیدگی نیستش از لحاظ
Nothing else.
بعدش هم گفتن بعد از 6 ماه ما شما رو بیرون میکنیم.
And they told me after the 6 months they will put me on the road or street. So what can
بعد
I do?
از 6 ماه کجا بریم؟
After these 6 months where can I go?
نه زبان بلده.
Without knowing the language, without having the place to stay.
هوا.
And at the moment it's winter and it's cold.
واقعا مشکله.
Really, it's a big problem.
این مشکلی که الان ما دارم بیان میکنم مشکل کل کمپ.
This is not just my problem. And this is a public problem for every Afghan refugee in this camp.
روز اول که ما آمدم داخل کمپ ما یک اتاقی دادن.
First day when I entered in the camp, they gave me just a room, a small room.
داخل اتاق شپش داشت.
And in the room we have found some dangerous insects.
که بعد ما گفتیم این اتاق شپش داره انگار که ما دروغ میگیم حرف ما باور نکردن.
When I told them and I report them, they didn't believe me.
و گفتم برای ما اگر شما راست میگی بردار بیار که ما 2 دانه 3 دانه گرفتیم براشون.
Even they told me bring the insects and show it to us and I did it.
بعد موقعی که ما آمدیم داخل کمپ تابستون بود.
When I entered in the camp it was summer.
که ما داخل اتاق یخچال نداشتیم.
And we didn't have a fridge in the room.
بعد از اینکه ما تقاضا یخچال کردیم تقریبا 10 روز طول کشید که با مشکلات زیاد متونستیم یخچال.
We asked fridge and with many problem after 10 or 20 days finally they gave us a small fridge.
که یخچالش هم درست کار نمیکنه.
And it doesn't work perfectly.
خیلی ممنون.
Thank you very much.
امید شاروقی هستم از افغانستان.
I'm Hamid.
امید شاروقی از افغانستان.
Sharuqi from Afghanistan. I'm here in Hungary since 4 years ago.
6 ماه شده که ما قبول شدیم.
And I have got a positive answer or decide from the immigration.
ما اومدیم در کمپ بیچکا زندگی میکنیم.
And at the moment we are living in Bishkek camp.
وقتی که مردمایی که قبول میشه وقتی که از او کم مپرایی باید تو خانه بته جای بته کار بته زندگی بته مگه از او کم آورده ما را در این کم.
Just they moved my place and they didn't give me the place to stay. They didn't give me home. When a refugee has got a positive answer, so they must give them good place to stay. But they didn't change anything and just they moved me from this camp to other camp.
کار نمیته برای ما.
We don't have a job. They don't give us job.
6 ماهی که زندگی میکنیم و حقوق ما را 2 هفته از قطع کرده میگه شما هر جایی که میره بریم ما در سرک بریم خانه نداریم جای نداریم ما کجا بریم.
We don't have a place and they want to put us on the street and they don't give us nothing.
وقتی که من کاغذایشون دارم.
I have these some papers. And it is in English language.
به حساب مشکلات زندگی است که ما برایشان گفتم من 3 تا برادرم از افغانستان سرپرست ندارم من برادرای من میخوایم.
And this paper I have written my problem and I have got 2 brothers and at the moment they are living in Afghanistan and Afghanistan at the moment is not safe. It's a very dangerous country and I want to invite them here but شما 5 ساله گرفتین دیگه نه؟ And at the moment I have got a 5 years passport and with this 5 years passport I cannot do anything.
برای من میگه تو کار نداری و خانه نداری
and they are telling me when you don't have a job and you don't have a place so you cannot invite your family here. So what will happen for my family in Afghanistan?
کشورهای دیگه که وقتی که 1 ساله میتید تو میتونی فامیلت بخوایی.
In other Schengen country when they give us a visa for even for 1 year we can invite our family from everywhere but here we have got 5 years passport and we cannot do anything with this.
یعنی خودشون هم اینجا نشته کرده، زلطان هم اینجا برای من نشته کردن.
And even Dr. Shamagvari Zoltan, who is working at the Helsinki,
که برای من مدرکای خود که دادم خود که از این گپایی که ما زدیم این مدرکای من. برای من میگه نه مدرکای تو جلیست نه اصلیست. من گفتم چه چیزی میشه که نه جلی باشه نه اصلی.
And they say this document is not original. They say they don't believe me.
مشکلات ما رسیدگی نمیشه. بالاخره ما دولت اروپایی خواهشمند هستیم که برای ما
We are asking from Schengen countries, please help us and see my problem.
ما چی کار کنیم بالاخره؟ ما بریم دوزی کنیم، حقوق مردم رو بخوریم که ما هم چه کار نمیتونیم.
What can we do? Should we go and steal something so they should give us a job? We don't know the language.
تشکر.
Thank you very much.
به نام خدا من
In the name of God, I'm Rauf Hosseini. I'm from Afghanistan.
بعد ما 4 تا میخوایم بگویم که زیاد وقت شد.
I'm going to talk about 4 topics.
بعد مشکلات ما یک مشکلات داره که مشکلات پوله که پول که
And we have a problem with money. They don't give us enough money, just a little.
برای خانواده و مجرد پول نمیرسه و پول که میرسه.
For a family like my family and the other things, it's not enough.
بعد مشکلات خانه داریم که
I have a problem with place.
خانه ما بعد از 6 ماه یا
After 6 months or maximum 1 year.
ما کجا بریم؟
Where should we go after the camp?
دیگه یک مشکلات دیگه اون بود که مشکلات دکتری دخترم هستن.
And about my daughter, she is ill and she has got a problem with her eyes. She has got a problem with her eyes and here they don't see the problem. Just they reject it.
بعد این مشکلات دیگه مهم است که برای مدرسه.
And other problem is with the school. They don't take our children to school. Just they put every age children in a small room and they just this, nothing else.
دیگه این مشکلات دیگه این مردمی که میایه اگه مشکلات نداشته باشه مرض ندارن که بیان که مثلا چیز کنن که
we really had a problem. That's why we escaped from our country and we came into the Europe and we asked asylum, but now they must help us.
حالا کشورهای بالا اگه میبودیم خود رسیدگی میکرد بر بچه‌های ما برای خودمون.
In other European countries like Germany, Austria or they help, but here in Hungary they don't help.
دیگه از کشور مجارستان خواهشمندیم که برای مهاجرینی که در اینجا هستن
We are asking from Hungarian government, please help us and see our problem. And just this. Thanks. And I'm refugee as well. I have entered in Hungary 1 year ago. And first, when I entered in Hungary, and yes, and he is my husband. He's
good job. Okay.
And he's my husband and his name is Safar Mohammed Reza. We entered in Hungary 1 year ago and we asked asylum. They put us in a closed camp for 5 months and they did nothing and we got 3-4 negative decided from the immigration and court, and after that they deported us to Serbia without any reason. And just they told us you crossed Serbia and you must go back to Serbia. And they put us in a cold winter in the Serbia and we didn't have a place in Serbia. So we came back again in Hungary. When we entered in Hungary, they put us in a court and the judge said you are criminal, you must go to prison for 9 months. But with I don't know English, with kedvezmi, they put us 6 months in prison and these are paper from the prison and they put us in prison. You can see 6 months in prison. My husband was in Nachva in Szeged and I have been in Maykut near the close to Budapest. And really, where is the right? Where is the human right? In Hungary there is no human right. Please, Schengen country, you do something for us, for a refugee, for all Afghan refugee or other nationality refugee in Hungary. In Hungary there is no human right for refugees.
ما تقریبا 1 سال خورده هستیم اینجا.
Almost we are 1 year in Hungary.
تقریبا تعداد خانواده 7 نفره.
We are 7 people in a family.
2 تا پسر که از راه رفته کشور بالا.
2 of my son are in other Schengen country.
5 نفر ما در اینجا هست.
And 5 of us at the moment are in Hungary.
چون شرایط اینجا خوب نیست. ما رسیدگی نمیشه.
The situation in Hungary is not fine.
بچه‌های مثلا نمیخواد اینجا بیاید.
And even my son they don't want to come in Hungary.
ما که داخل کمپی بیچکم هستیم.
And we are in Bichke camp.
اینجا از رئیس سوسیال بگی، از اندی بگی، از همه‌شون با ما برخورد بد.
And even the director in the camp, social workers, they don't behave well with us.
من تقریبا اینجا که 5 ماه است که داخل کمپ بیشکا آمده.
And now we are 5 months in the camp.
4 ماه اصلا من یخچال من خراب بود، هر موقع که اینجا میرفتم نه یخچال میداد نه دیگه.
And we in these 5 months we didn't have fridge, and every day I was going to the social worker building to ask it.
یکی بود به اسم که رئیس سوسیال است که اندی است.
And one of them is Andy.
خیلی برخوردش بد با همه بد برخورد.
And she behaves very bad with everybody.
چون رئیس است کسی با کسی چیز
گفت. Because she is a boss and nobody can say anything.
حتی با ما گفت که شما آمدین اینجا باعث اینکه شلوغ شده کشوری ما.
And even she told me all of you came in my country and now my country is busy because of the Afghanian people.
وقتی کشورت شلوغ شده روز اول ما رو نمیگرفتیم، روز ما میرسیم هر جایی که میریم.
And I'm saying if your country is busy so send us to other Schengen country, don't keep us here.
ما اینجا مجبور شدیم ماندیم، حالا
And we have to stay here and now they don't see the problem.
داخل کمپ وقتی میریم به دکتر مراجعه میکنیم.
Inside in the camp.
اولا برخورد دکتر ما چون خوب نیست، هفته یک دفعه میاد اونم نیم ساعت 1 ساعت بیشتر.
And in 1 week the doctor comes in a camp just for half hours.
دختر کوچکی مریض بود رفتیم پیش دکتر.
And my smallest daughter was sick and I took her in a doctor.
همین اندی هم اونجا اختیار دار است و ما گفت که بریم دست پول شخصیتان بریم دکتر ببینیم.
And even Andy told me go and pay your money to improve your baby.
آخرش من گفتم که ما اینجا آمدیم نمیتونم که من نه پول دارم نه زبان دارم.
And finally I told her I don't have money, I don't know the language.
خانه که با ما داده بود تقریبا 4 ماه خانه ما خیلی جای با کوچیک بود، هر موقع میرفتیم که خانه رو چیز کنیم به ما خانه بزرگتر بزنیم.
And just they gave us a small room for 5 people and I asked her to give me a bigger room or other room.
تقریبا 8 خانواده مجاری رو اونجا اجاره داده بود داخل کمپ که حقی همه است ولی داخل کمپ اونجا اجاره داده بود با ما جای با تنگ.
And even they gave our right to a Hungarian citizen because in the camp is for just Afghanian people but they gave the house and room to Hungarian people and
اونا که ما اعتراض کردیم تظاهرات کردیم سرصدا کردیم تازه اینا رو بیرون کرد از اونجا هم مجاری ها داخل کمپ
بیرون. And now they put out the Hungarian from the camp.
خانه الان زیاد شده، من رفتم خانه برام خانه فعلا دادم تا خانه ما خیلی کوچیکه گذران ما خوب نمیشه، ما رو باید خانه در بیرون بده که ما بتونیم در بین مردم باشیم.
My situation in camp is not good. They must give us a home in the Budapest or in a city because
وقتی که ما داخل کمپ هستم چی فایده داره که همش مثلا دور بر ما همشهری ما فقط زبان خود ما در بین خود
صحبت. But it's not useful when we are in a camp and we speak in our language and we don't learn the language in the camp. If they put us in a city, we can be independent and it is better.
اگر ما خانه در بیرون داشته باشیم در بین مردم باشیم ما زودتر هم زبان یاد میگیریم، هم راه کار پیدا میکنیم، هم راه همه چی.
If they put us in a city with Hungarian, we can learn the language very fast. We can find a job and we can
حالا ما را که این 6 ماه تمام شد 6 ماه دیگه چون خانواده هستیم میگه 6 ماه دیگه تمدید میکنن.
Now my husband has finished in the camp, 6 months has finished and maybe they give me other 6 months second 6 months but it will finish soon.
میگه به خاطر که شما درس یاد بگیرین شما باید اینجا باشین. خب در حالی که معلمش میاد 45 دقیقه درس
میده. They
میده.
say you must learn the language but when the teacher comes to the course just it is for 40 minutes and it is finished and it is not useful.
حالا ما مثلا زمان وقتی یاد میگیریم آدم که در بین مردم باشیم اون موقع میتونیم خودمون کوشش کنیم. اینجا که هیچ جایش نیست که ما
در بین زندان هستیم چی رقمی زمان هستیم.
And when we are in a camp, how can we learn the language when the teacher is not okay and situation is not okay?
زندان در این گفته نمیشه که حتما دور برش میله باشه اون میشه زندان. اینا به ما زندان چون وقتی که ما همه ما در یک روستای دور افتادیم میشه
زندان. We are close because it doesn't mean really prison has got some, like a cage, but it's not like a cage, but we feel we are close. They put us in a small village out of city.
اگر ما داخل بوداپست باشیم شاید هم از طریق مردم کار میتونیم پیدا کنیم زندگیمون خوب میشه.
If we are in Budapest we can find a job maybe.
حالا از حقوق بشر از کشور اروپایی نمیخوایم که یک توجه خاصی به ما بکنه در این
We are asking from the human organization to
ما کار زمانی که بلد نیستیم کاری که بلد نیستیم دولت مراجعه میکنیم میگه کار معلوم
when we don't know the language and we don't know the professional so we cannot do anything.
اگر ما اجازه کار بده ما میتونیم بریم در کشورهای دیگری از یک فامیل دوست داریم با اونا از طریق اونا میتونیم بخود کار پیدا کنیم.
And we are not allowed to go to other Schengen country to work because we have got a 5 years passport.
کار در کشورهای بالا مثل آلمان جای دیگه اتریش اینجا هست ولی ما اینجا که میریم برای ما اسناد نمیده درست که ما با اونا چیز کنیم.
There are many jobs in other country like Germany, Austria or other but we cannot go because of this 5 years passport.
کاری که ما میکنیم تکس هم میتیم کار هم میکنیم حقوق کم راضی هستیم و شاید کار بکنیم خود ما سر پای خود ایستاده شیم.
It's okay we follow the law we will pay the tax but if we have a job when we don't have so we cannot.
همیشه ما توجه به مثال فکر میکنیم که اینجا اروپا است همه چیز به ما توجه میشه ولی هیچ اینجا به ما توجه درست خاص نمیشه.
Before we were taught that here is Europe and they will help us and Europe is a humanity countries but
ما آمدیم برای اینجا که برای زندگی کنیم نه آمدیم که مثلا اینجا الاف کشورها و خیابان‌ها و مردم باشیم.
We came here for a safe future for living but not for living on the street after the camp.
تنها مشکل من نیه همین الان من همشهری خودم میشم حدوداً 250 نفر داخل کمپ هستن
and 250 person are living in a camp.
2 نفر سوسیال کار میکنه برای 250 نفر.
Just there are 2 social workers.
بقیه سوسیال الاف میگن.
Other social workers they don't help us.
یک مراجعه میکنه به خاطر پست باید خودی ما بریم دنبال پست از طلب کنیم اونم با سر صدا و بغال برای خوبی باش در ما
نمیاد. We ourselves must go to social worker and ask them do we have any letter or any post package or everything and they don't help us really.
دیگه دکترش بگی از سوسیالش بگی از همه چیز بگی اینجا مشکله.
All those things is not fine in the camp. The doctor, the social worker, the director, everybody is not fine in the camp.
مشکل بالای مشکل قد مشکل زیاده که شاید در یک ساعت تمام نمیشه همه شهر.
There is no one or 2 problem. We have got many problem.
دیگه از جامعه جهانی و از حقوق بشر از کشورهای اروپایی میخوایم که برای ما یک توجه خاص بدن همین حرف آخر.
And we are asking for a human rights organization and other Schengen country to help us.
تشکر ازتون.
Thank you very much.
میرویس محمدی هستم از افغانستان.
I'm میرویس محمدی from Afghanistan.
ما در 1 ساله بودم که پدر خود از دست دادم.
I lost my father when I was 1 year boy.
در 3 سالگی مادر خود از دست دادم.
And when I was 3 years boy I lost my mother.
در 29 سال عمرم که در افغانستان زندگی کردم.
And I have been in Afghanistan for 29 years.
اینقدر سختی و زحمت من کشیدیم که در 1.5 سال در هنگری کشیدیم.
In Afghanistan, in Hungary, I have got many problems. More than Afghanistan.
نه به دوا درمان ما رسیدگی میکنه.
And doctor doesn't help and they don't give us medicine. They don't.
نه به ما خانه میده.
They don't give us. They don't give place to stay.
نه به ما فعلا پول هیچی به ما نمیده.
And they don't give us money.
پیش دکتر میریم میگه وقتتون تمام شده از این کمپ شما هیچ چقه دوا درمان نداره.
And when we go to the doctor they say your time in the camp has finished and you must leave the camp and go to street.
کل این ماجرات با این بدبختی و چه گرفتار هستن.
And all of the Afghan refugees has got same problem.
و خواهش میکنم از شما و از ینگری و از کشورهای هر چی که اینجا چه کار میکنن و ما رسیدگی
We
بکنن.
are asking from Hungary or every organization, please do something.
و سوسیالش هم که ما میریم یک چه کسشون یک مراجعه میکنیم که ما یک مشکل داریم قطع ما یک برخورد غیر انسانی میکنن.
And when we go to social worker, we ask help, and they don't behave well with us.
ما یک مهاجر هستیم، ما را اسیر در جنگ نگرفتیم.
We are just a refugee.
که ما اسیر جنگ نیستیم که ما را در جنگ گرفته باشن که ما اومده باشیم به کشور ازیا.
We didn't come for war, just we are refugee.
فقط ما موقع گفتیم
Just we want your attention and thanks.
Thank you.
More? Anybody?
میگه شما میخواید صحبت
جایی که وقتی ما خلاص شده بود علی دکتر مریض شده بود به دکتر نبردن سکیوریتی آدم در باباش دعوا کرد که تا آمبولانس آمد این رو برد و برگشتنا خود ما آوردیم.
خب وقتی شما تو کمپ تمام شده؟
کمپ خلاص شده.
My time in camp has finished and my baby was sick and I asked the security to help me and they behaved me very well and I made a fight and they called an ambulance for my baby. After a fight, when we behave very well, they don't call ambulance for me. But when I made a fight, they called the ambulance.
دوشا بیمارستان بود خود چما بریم
And they said you yourself go to Budapest to hospital and find the hospital. When we don't know the city, we don't know the country, how can we go?
2 ماه میشه که برای ما پیسه خرج نمیده قطع کردن.
And in these 2 months they didn't give us any money, any.
حتی معاونی اگه گفتن نگهداری ما 25000 13000 هیچ به حسابش
And even this baby is Hungarian citizen because he born in Hungary, but even they don't give money to this baby. Also, they must give money to baby.
یک لباس نو تا حالا کالای نو به جان از
And even they didn't give clothes, 1 clothes to my baby.
لباس کنن که از کشورها او برمیارن از او برمیارن بچه‌ها اینا.
And they give us used clothes for everybody.
همون خوبای برای خود خبر میدارم آشغالای.
And first they took the good clothes for themselves and after that they give us the used clothes for us.
میان خانه ها رو فیلم برداری میکنن میبرن به پیش خانه ها کم نشان میدن که ما مثلا پرده زدیم چیزی زدیم اما میبرنشون که خانه ها اینا خوبه.
And just they record some video from the best place of the camp and they put it in TV or they show it to other country. Yes, we give these things to refugees, but it's not really.
حالا باباش هم رفته جرمنی بیکار پیدا کنه هیچ جمعی که بخوره آدم.
And at the moment my husband has gone in Germany and in Germany he cannot work because we have got a 5 years passport.
تشکری که از ما دارم دیگه با ما رسیدگی کنم از اتحادیه اروپا.
Please help us and thank you very much.
Can I sit down and talk to you with this?
Yes.
Don't you sit there? I'll sit over here. No, right here.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you have more statement.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
As you know, I'm a refugee. I'm Afghan refugee from Afghanistan, and at the moment I am pregnant, and I will bring a baby. But really, I'm afraid because of that. I don't know what will happen for this baby. What will happen for the future of the baby? I don't know what will happen really because in Hungary they put everything on her leg and they don't know the law. And they behave very bad with us. They put me in prison, and they did everything with me. Just we came here from our country for a safe future in a good way, not prison, not camp, not the dirty camps, dirty place. They did very, very bad thing with Afghanian, and in other European country, they help the people, they support people as long they independent themselves. and until they have got a home. But in Hungary it's not like that, and after 6 months or 1 year they put everybody in the street. So what will happen for them? What will happen for their children? And I'm going to study in university, but first I must learn the language. And in this 1 year in the camp, minimum I can learn the language in this 1 year. But after that, when my time has finished in the camp, I cannot go to university because I must have job, I must have money for the university. And when there is no support, how can I study? Just came here for a safe future, for my children, everybody like me. But there is no law, there is no support. Every refugee is without hope. We don't know what to do. And even right now, there is no deal. We don't know what to do. We are sad, we are upset, we are really upset. When I was in prison, I didn't know what to do. I didn't know the language. I asked the Helsinki Committee help, and really they helped me a lot. And thank you very much from the Helsinki Committee, from Dr. Shomagvari Zoltan and my lawyer, Barbara Poharnoy. And there are many widow women, Afghanian women, and they don't have the husband, and even they put them in the street after 6 months or 1 year. So what will happen for a wife, for a woman like them? I don't know, because they don't have the husband, and they are old. Because of their old, they cannot learn the language. So when they cannot learn the language, when they don't have job, what can they do? And they have children as well. And when they put us on the street, so what can they do? All the problem is here. The other country, they support the people. As long they independent themselves, but here not. We don't know what to do, really.
How long were you in prison in Hungary?
I have been in prison for 6 months.
And what was that like? What was it like in prison?
Oh, it was so horrible. I was so afraid. And when I was in prison, it is interesting. I asked asylum from the immigration, and 2 persons from ministerium, they came to me, and they told me, you after these 6 months, you must go back to Serbia. And I asked, Serbia is not a safe country. Why are you sending me to Serbia? With help of the human rights organization, Helsinki, finally I could get this status in Hungary, finally. And at the moment, so I see the situation is not okay. I see everybody is sad, is angry. So why? And even at the moment, they didn't cancel my expel, because when they put me in prison, they told me after these 6 months they will deported me to Serbia, and I cannot come to Hungary for 6 years. And at the moment it's alive, and I'm asking from the Hungarian government, please cancel it. Just I'm a refugee, I'm not a criminal. In the court, the judge told me I'm criminal, but I did nothing. What was my fault? I cried a lot, and I told, please, I'm a refugee, I'm not a criminal, don't put me in a prison. But they say, we cannot do anything, you must go to prison. I don't know, really, I'm angry, and I'm afraid, and I'm worried because of my baby, because I'm pregnant, and they do nothing for me. What will happen for my children?
If it was possible, what would you like to do in Hungary?
First of all, I would learn the language, and secondly, I want to go to university because I want to learn the culture of Hungary, because I would live in Hungary, so it's better first. I know I have the knowledge about the Hungary, about everything, about the culture, and because I want to be an educated person. I don't want to be like every Afghanian citizen in Afghanistan. Just we came here for a safe future, nothing else.
What was your life in Afghanistan like?
In Afghanistan, it is very, very horrible. For example, when you are sitting at your home, suddenly a bomb will boom and maybe die. It's not safe. and we escaped to Iran. And even in Iran, I couldn't go to university, and I finished my high school with many problems. And even Iran government, they told me you cannot go to university because you are Afghanian. I studied mathematics and physics in Iran, but they say, oh, no, you cannot go. And even I wanted to create a robot in Iran. They said, no, you are Afghanian, you cannot go to university. We cannot do anything, go back to your country. And that's why we escaped from the Iran. And at the moment, my family is in Iran, and I don't know what happened to them. I don't know anything from my family. I'm worried. Who can help us? Who can help the Afghanian? They cannot do anything because of their country. If my country is fine, I'm not here. We escaped from our country because of the political problem, because of the family conflict, because of all these problems. Everybody has got a type of problem.